Have you ever found yourself pondering about what exactly metals and non-metals are? Well, wonder no more. Today we dive into the world of these fascinating substances and unravel their characteristics in the simplest terms. So, let's start with metals. Picture the jewelry you wear, the coins jingling in your pocket, or even the cutlery you use. All these items share one common element. They are made of metals. Metals, in their purest form, are elements that are typically hard, shiny, malleable, fusible, and ductile. They have a high density and are good conductors of heat and electricity. These substances are found in the Earth's crust and are often extracted through mining. Some common metals include gold, silver, iron, and copper. Metals also tend to have high melting points and boiling points. They're shiny, and when polished, they exhibit a unique luster. But what about non-metals? These are elements that lack the characteristics of metals. Non-metals are not shiny, malleable, or ductile. Instead, they are brittle. If you try to bend a non-metal, it will break. Non-metals are poor conductors of heat and electricity. They have low density, and their melting and boiling points are generally lower than those of metals. Non-metals are abundant in our environment. Think about the air you breathe, which contains oxygen, a non-metal. The diamond in your favorite ring, that's carbon, another non-metal. Non-metals also include elements like sulfur and phosphorus. In summary, metals are hard, shiny, malleable, and good conductors of heat and electricity. They have high density and high melting and boiling points. On the other hand, non-metals are not shiny, malleable, or good conductors of heat and electricity. They are brittle, have low density, and their melting and boiling points are generally lower than those of metals. So, the next time you look at a coin, a piece of jewelry, or even the air around you, remember the amazing world of metals and non-metals that make up these everyday objects. It's not just about metal or non-metal. It's about understanding the fascinating properties of these elements that shape our world in countless ways.